Chicago legend and Hall of Famer Brian Urlacher. He's known for his leadership, his hard hits, and above all else, for being bald. Until now.
My whole career I was pretty much bald, so people just got to know me as being a bald guy. I realized I was going bald as early as college, the end of my college career. So the jokes never really stopped, but they subsided as long as my head was shaved. I did wonder what it would be like if I could have hair. Just didn't think it was an option for me at the time. I heard about Restore from a buddy of mine who went and got the procedure done, and he loved it, got great results. The decision was easy. I mean, I was so confident in what they were gonna do. I'm off to get my hair restoration procedure done. Very excited about it. Nervous and excited. Good nervous though.
Here at Restore, we've mastered a procedure that doesn't require a scalpel or stitches. FUE stands for follicular unit excision. And what that is taking follicles from where you have it and placing it where you need it. It's safe, natural, and totally undetectable. It's the best method to regrow your own hair.
During the procedure, I watched movies. I ate a lot. We had a lot of jokes going on. Everything was fun. I mean, I had a good day there. You don't have to be a tough guy to get this done. This is for everyone. The whole process for me has been very enjoyable. That's what I'm most excited about, is to see people's reaction, seeing their faces when I show up with a full head of hair. I get different reactions every day. People can't believe that it's my hair. I feel better with hair, and I feel like I can pull off more looks. There's so many different hairstyles I can do now, I don't even know what to do.
When Brian Urlacher showed off his results from his Restore procedure, it changed the stigma surrounding hair restoration.
And I kind of want to open the doors to let men know you can do this. It's not that big of a deal anymore. You can talk about it to your friends. You can go get it done.
There's nothing to be embarrassed about. Restore is happy to have helped thousands of men, from celebrities to athletes, from businessmen to everyman.
Just an amazing experience for me, and I owe it all to Restore.